Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale across Jamaica. House number 1. Here we have a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in Green Island, Hanover. The size of this house is approximately 2,500 square feet and it's on the market for 28 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. First up, we have living and dining area number 1. And this is living area number 2. We then move on to the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen. And this is a second kitchen. Next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. Out of 5 bedrooms, 3 were shown. We then move on to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, and this is the second bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms in all, however only 2 were shown. Next we have the laundry area, and followed by that is the balcony. We then move right along to the rooftop terrace. Now that would be the end of the images for house number 1. We move right along to house number 2. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in West Kensington, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 1,000 square feet and it's been listed for 22 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First, we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 3 bedrooms, 2 were shown. Followed by that are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is a second bathroom. Now that would be the end of house number 2. House number 3. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house found in Mandeville, Manchester. The size of this lot is 9,682 square feet and it's been listed for 25.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. First, we have the living area, dining area, and this is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. Lastly, we have the bathroom. And that will be the end of the images for house number 3. House number 4. This is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom house found in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. The size of this house is 2,325 square feet and it's on the market for 25 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First, we have the veranda. Next is the living area. dining area, and here we have the kitchen. We then move along to the bedroom. Out of 5 bedrooms, only 1 is being shown. Next is the bathroom. This house has 5 bathrooms in all, however only 1 is being shown. That would be the end of the images for house number 4.